Hello everyone. Are you a beginner and you have passion for bag making, or you've been thinking about leveling up your bag making skill? Now is the perfect time for you. Our ongoing online bag making class is currently on the 50% discount off. That means you're paying 30,000 naira instead of 60,000 naira and $32 instead of $65, but only until February 14. So this is your chance to learn from step by step, easy to follow tutorials designed to help you create stunning high quality bags, whether you're a beginner or you're looking to upgrade your skill. In this class, you're going to be learning the essential bag making techniques, how to work with different fabric and bag accessories, professional finishing touch to make your bag stand out, and so much more. You're not just learning how to make bags, you're going to be learning how to make different type of accessories, footwears, how to make waterproof earrings. And hey, we are not just teaching you how to make all these things, we are also going to be teaching you how to start selling your bags online, how to create mini websites to start selling, how to create a YouTube channel to start selling, how to make money via PDF pattern creation, free ebook related to bag making, how to edit your products, take good pictures, and post online. For more details, click on the link in the description box. We have detailed, comprehensive pre-recorded video so you can learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. Plus, you get a lifetime access so you can always revisit the lesson whenever you need. We also teach you via PDF with detailed picture illustrations, write-ups, audio explanation, live sections, and lots more. See, I know how overwhelming it can be to figure things out on your own, spending several hours searching for tutorials, making mistakes that cost your time and money. This class is designed to remove all that frustration. We break things down in simple, easy to follow way. You gain confidence in your sewing and start making beautiful professional bags. And remember, you are not just getting a class, you are joining a community. You get to connect with your fellow bag makers, ask questions, and share your progress. Oh, are you in a rural country and you're bothered about how to source for your materials and fabric? Don't worry, we have got you covered. So imagine getting all this for just 30,000 naira. If you've been thinking of joining, don't wait too long. Take advantage of this huge discount while it lasts. This 50% discount is only available until February 14, and after that, the price go back to normal. So hurry up, click the link below to enroll and start creating stunning high quality bags. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section or send us a DM via WhatsApp to get more details about the online training. Note that this class is not just for beginners alone, it is also suitable for intermediate bag makers and even advanced students. So let's make something amazing together. See you inside the class.